Paris redeploys the performative axis of Neruda's metaphors, through which Neruda conveys the voracious abundance of private erotic desires. It is to depict the strange realities of climate change and their outsized effects. Paris transfigures Neruda's image of natural fertility and erotic renewal into scenes of devastations such as forced climate migrations, disruption migratory patterns, severe storms, and last, the extraction effects on intricate ecosystems. The Anthropocene era. Ghost argues that it must be approached as fundamentally unpredictable. It is defined by cataclysmic events and ecological turbulence. Ghost, the realist novels fail to portray such dynamics, is tied to its constitutive conventions and representational modes, which reflects broader social norms within capitalist modernity that makes climate change cause and effects difficult to perceive. Anthropocene is the science that draws attention to the various collective impacts of humans on the Earth system, from biodiversity loss to ocean acidification, carbon emissions to microplastics, nitrogen cycle to changes to deforestation. Minley and Taylor of 2017, the Anthropocene provides an opportunity for literary studies to test and transform its methods. By how? By examining how the symbolic domain might or might not index a historicity that exceeds the human social relation and encompasses planetary flows of energy and matters. Anthropocene debates have elicited new creative and interpreted ways of imagining the planet itself. We might look to poetry as well as its means of conveying image of worlds, and that evokes the whole by drawing attention to the myriad life worlds that compose planetary existence. The histories and ongoing legacies of that socio-ecological conjunctures. These works grapple with distressing truths of loss and violence. It draws attention to the various scales of existence, from intricate to the vast and open imaginative space for hope, resilience, renewal, and surprise. Mullen's poem says that it is the detailed, intricate moments of beauty and pleasure that connect human and non-human realms. In this line, one of his poems says that hummingbirds alters its course, zooming closer to check out the giant hibiscus flower. Only me in my red summer dress. As for Castor, poems are voices of residents who chronicle the strange changes they witness in their everyday surroundings. In this line of his poem, everyone knows what the gas truck looks like now. What happens when they stop and spread out like stones?